Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're excited to show you the R2 Pájara Beach Hotel and Spa in Fuerteventura, Canary Islands. From watching the sunset over the Atlantic to trying the traditional cuisine, it was a calm and memorable stay. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more adventures. Let's dive in. We spent our Christmas holidays here, and the festive atmosphere with the lights, decorations, and cozy holiday vibe made it extra special. Here's the hotel panoramic view. You'll see how the curved architecture gives almost every room a sea view overlooking Costa Calma. Our room was bright and cozy, with a balcony to enjoy the view. The hotel's great for families too, with a children's playground, pool, and plenty of kid-friendly areas. This stunning 4-star all-inclusive resort is just steps away from the crystal-clear waters of Playa Sotavento and Costa Calma. Breakfast was pretty standard, a buffet with eggs, pastries, fresh fruit, and a few local dishes. The weather was pleasantly warm for December, and the heated pool made it even better for a swim or some easy water activities.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just 10 minutes we are having beach volleyball.
Just look at that view. The infinity pool overlooks the Atlantic. It's absolutely stunning. There's also a morning yoga class by the garden area. Such a calm way to start the day with the ocean breeze. At lunchtime, the buffet offered a good variety, including local dishes, salads, pasta, and grilled dishes. The hotel is near some beautiful beaches, Playa Esmeralda, Playa de Costa Calma, and Laguna de Sotavento. They're perfect for a walk or a swim, with soft sand and crystal clear water. Dinner had a really nice atmosphere, especially during the holidays, live cooking stations, themed nights, Canarian food, and live music. After dinner, there were a few live shows and some music, a pleasant way to spend the evening.